G'day everyone. I'm at the Thompson Railway station. You can see where I am right there. You are here. I'm going to walk down around there and up to here. It's about 6.5 k's. Yeah, to get to this is a bit confusing. You go down the left hand side of the train station, you just keep to your left the whole way and you get to this little area where containers are, like a little storage yard, and there it is there. And down there is the Thompson River. And just up that way is the bridge that goes to Moe-Walhalla, which I'll be walking there tomorrow. Up on Mormon Town Track, I think it is. Now this is like 6 k's, shouldn't be too bad, although it is uphill all the way. I hope it's not this steep, the whole walk, but anyway, I'm here now. Just had a really good lunch at the Erica Bar and Grill, or Bar and Cafe. Had a snitty burger, and the chips were amazing as well. And of course I had a Carlton, the old Carlton Dry. So it was about, I guess, an hour ago now. Now it's time to walk it all off. So you walk over the top of this, and it's actually an old trestle bridge for when it used to run to Erica from here. So there is a path there that you can probably get under and have a look, but I'm not gonna really bother too much. Yeah, there you go, some old rail history. And that's a little track that you go up around, and here's the old train line. You just about drive a car down it. I'm sure it'll get harder in some areas, but at the moment, just have a look at the country around here. It's amazing. There's another walk that I'll do a bit of research on. Basically I want to go up Stringers Creek towards Moe-Walhalla. There's a big waterfall about 3/4 of the way up. And yeah, maybe I can get to it, maybe I can't. But I'm going to plan a few days to do a few walks up here, probably April, May, around May next year I reckon. So you can probably hear the rescue chopper in the background. He's pretty much hovering over between Thomson and Moe-Walhalla right now. And this looks like it's had a fire. I don't know how long ago. I wonder how long this was. Couldn't have been too long, because the undergrowth hasn't started really going berserk yet. So down there is the Thompson River. Awesome. Apparently full of trout. There was a guy fly fishing earlier and someone with a spinner. So that'd be good to walk down and fish this sort of weather. I reckon it's about 21 degrees at the moment. It's probably 2 o'clock in the arvo. Not my normal time of walking, but I kind of thought no time but the present. Yeah, a couple of years maybe. Maybe not even that. Oh yeah, it would be. All the regrowth on the gums. Not much else is regrowing yet though. Walking through a little ferny cutting. Had a couple of spots of rain before. Oh, hope it doesn't rain. That's all I need. Horseshoe Bend down there. Apparently there's a tunnel that goes from one side of the river to the other. Not on my itinerary today. So I'll just wander back down here and go under the bridge. Follow the rail line. So you get through the little underpass where the bridge is and you come up to some railway line again and you keep going right. Got a little bit of stacked rock on the side there as a little wall and I can hear the chopper going. It's obviously done what it has to do. And there's a trail marker. And I guess if you got in trouble, a shelter. How cool is that? What an absolute ripper. Had some massive windstorms up here like all of us did the other week, and that's what it's done to the trees. Just snapped them halfway up. When they hit the ground they just shatter. This is the other side of Horseshoe Bend. You might be able to see there's the path over there, or the trail over there. Just ripped it a bit to bits. Yeah, the old Aussie bush, eh? Well, this is a pretty easy walk so far. It's just an incline 90% of the way. maybe 95%. Although it is for a train, and trains don't like going up steep hills, so it's still a fairly easy walk. There's another tree snapped off. Up there. Oh, I'm about 1 kilometre from the end, I reckon, maybe a bit closer. Oh, this is a fantastic little walk. Really easy. Just uphill all the way. It's not particularly steep. Well, it's not at all. You can just keep your own pace. Yeah, probably isn't a better way to be out in the bush around Moe-Walhalla and do it easily and just enjoy walking. There's a car park up the end here on the Moe-Walhalla Tyres Road. You could park there and walk all the way down to the Thompson train station, have a break and walk back. You'd be up for around 12 k's of easy walking. Or do what I do, get dropped off one end and go back the other. I just decided to go from Thomson to here, and I'll walk, I guess it's 2 kilometres from the end of this trail to where I'm staying. So realistically, you could walk from Erica all the way to Moe-Walhalla. But anyway, I know the track notes. I was reading one of them that says it's difficult. There's no difficulty anywhere, especially going downhill. You get to a fork right up near the end and you turn to the right. That's taken me about, I think, an hour and a half. Steady walking at my pace. We'll check out what the actual kilometres are when I look at the map properly later. But I'm guessing I'm walking at 4.5 kilometres an hour maybe. So this gets you up to the car park. A little bit slippery and muddy. Obviously a trail bike has been down. They're not supposed to be, but they have been. And we're done. Just thought I'd put this last little bit in. See you later.